I think your Korean teacher is wrong about Hanja. 안녕하세요. 정글에서 살고 있는 한국어 패치의 이한입니다. So, while we are running the beta test for Saturi Pechi, which is ongoing right now, thank you, by the way, for all the support on getting that project started, I wanted to start a conversation about another aspect of authentic Korean that I feel is very important. So, welcome to Hanja Pechi. So, why am I starting this series off by telling you that your Korean teacher is wrong? Well, in my experience and the experience of a lot of other Korean learners that I know, you most often run into Korean teachers, native speakers or otherwise, who, when you ask them or when they first introduce you to the concept of Hanja, they'll tell you that you don't need to learn Hanja. Or they'll say something like, you don't need to learn the characters themselves, don't worry. I know they're scary. You just need to learn the vocabulary words in Korean that they're associated with. I want to take a quick detour here from my point to remind everyone what Hanja are. So Hanja are what we call in English Chinese characters. These characters were the primary way to write the Korean language for a really long time. They were either the main way to write the language or extremely common in use all the way from like the 4th century BC until like the 1970s and 80s. Near the end of that time period, they were used a lot more like how kanji are used in Japanese, where it's like a mixed script with the native writing script. But they were still in use, just 40 or 50 years ago. I'll get into more detail about how they work in future videos. That's not the point of this one. So the case that I want to make today is that Korean teachers who tell you you don't need to learn the Hanja, the actual characters themselves, aren't giving you the full picture. It is possible that your teacher is deliberately lying to you, either because they don't like Hanja, they don't want them to be used, they don't know how to teach them. Any of those reasons are technically possible. But that's a very negative way to look at the world, and this is not a negative channel at all. I'm going to give everyone the benefit of the doubt here and say that the reason they talk like this is because Hanja, like many of the topics that will become pechi for this channel, is something that native Korean speakers know, but they don't know that they know. I believe that we can become more authentic speakers of the Korean language by doing some work to catch up with native speakers in this area. In my estimation, there are about 200 Hanja, about 200 characters that the average native Korean speaker can recognize and get used in writing without anybody really noticing. I would also estimate that about half of those 200 could be written from memory, more or less. Hanja are seen all over the place in Korea, and I'm not just talking about those complicated artsy Hanja that you see on restaurant signs. Those usually have some hangul underneath them to tell you what characters they are. I'm talking about simple things. Take a look at these pictures. Hanja are used here with no hangul help. Situations like this are not uncommon at all. There are thousands, actually like tens of thousands of Hanja that exist. But in Korean settings, there are about 200 that can be thrown around and mixed in with writing with very little friction. It's not uncommon to find a native speaker that recognizes or can write more characters than that, but I would say that's the bare minimum in my experience. When you ask a native Korean speaker under the age of like 40 or 50 if they know any Hanja, the most common answer you're going to hear is, no, not really. Or even, no, not at all. I don't know any Hanja. Hanja used to be taught in schools as part of the basic curriculum, but their importance in education has largely been replaced by English. Anyway, people tell you they don't know Hanja if you ask them. The thing is, when they are challenged on this, they almost always know the Hanja that you're showing them because most of the Hanja that you run into on a daily basis in Korean come from that list of about 200 that I mentioned earlier. I think this confirms my point that native speakers know Hanja, but they don't know that they know Hanja. But hey, don't take it from me. Let's ask them.
외국인들이 한국말 배우고 싶으면 한자어를 물론 배워야 되지만 한자 자체를 배워야 된다고 생각하세요?
꼭 그러지는 않은 것 같은데요.
아니요. 한자 굳이
한자는 그 단계에서는 굳이 할 필요 없다라고.
아니요.
아니요.
아니요. 그건 안 배워도 될 것 같아요.
혹시 한자 좀 아세요?
저 한자 잘 몰라요. 한자 한글밖에 모르는데.
저는 좀 모르는 편입니다.
제 이름밖에 몰라요. 한글 이름입니다. 세금. 그래서 몰라도 돼요.
학교에서 배운 정도?
저 많이 몰라요.
저는 8급 자격증 있어요. 그 이상 안 올라갔어요.
너무 어려워서.
그럼 제가 사진 보내드릴 테니까
네.
뭐가 보이는지 말씀해 주시겠어요? 이건 뭐예요?
대.
큰데
이건 있을유.
있을 유.
이슬유.
스스로 차?
평평할 평. 이건 알지.
모르신다면서요? 아,
아 이건 다 아는 거잖아요.
이거는요?
안. 어떻게 할지.
아,
왜?
바깥 왜?
아니 이건 기름류 아니에요?
단일행.
이거는요?
이거는 없을문.
아,
없을무.
아름다울 미. 태. 이거 알지. 클태.
그럼 한자 좀 아시네요? 그럼 다시
왜 아는지 모르겠지만
한국어를 배우고 싶으면 한자를 배워야 될까요?
뭐 이렇게 기본적인 건 좀 그래도 도움이 되지 않을까? 예. 다 아니까.
배우면 좋아요.
한국어를 배우고 있는데 뭐 식당이나 뭐 어디 뭐 간판이나 이런 데서 나오는 이제 자주 나오는 그런 한자는 그 순간에 이제 저게 무슨 한자지? 이러면서 하나하나씩 습득하는 건 괜찮다고 본다는 거죠.
Told ya. So, the first idea that I want to explore in this series is hanjas, and I mean the actual characters, not just the words that they became in Korean. Hanja's current purpose and usage in Korean, and how it's relevant to you as an aspiring authentic speaker. Studying Hanja is a hobby of mine, and it's really opened up a lot about the Korean language as I've learned more and more of them. I'm sure it will for you too. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.